Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to start a brand new series that I'm calling Skip It. And we're going to start with IKEA. Now, we all love IKEA, right? But there's definitely some things that I prefer in the same category over others. So let's start in with buy this, not that. Now, absolutely skip the following. Come on, really? This chair looks like my school lunchroom, especially in that color. It's just really unattractive. It looks cheap, and we don't want cheap. We want inexpensive that looks designer. Now next, we love IKEA's storage options. They've got tons of stuff, right? And you can hack the heck out of anything. But when you're looking for open shelving, you want to skip this guy. Oh, it's so ugly with the ugly brackets that come down like that. Lots of other better options. Now, next up, you're kidding yourself if you think that this will ever look like this in your house. Because you know what? When this picture is taken, it takes a team of professional stylists. Oh, they're hanging just the right accessories at just the right angle. It's lighting it just the right way. It's perfect. And real life isn't like that. I'm not even like that in real life. Life is messy. So this is always going to look like a hot mess in your space. So skip the clothes rack. Now, we all know IKEA has a ton of great upholstered options, but you could just slide on by this guy. It's a bit of a snooze. It's only one color. It's not a good gray to begin with. It's got kind of cheap looking legs and uninteresting detailing. So there's lots of good options. Stick with me. Now, IKEA also has a ton of great and really fabulous accessories, but this is not one of them. This plant stand looks like a carton sitting on top of legs. It would belong nicely in a potting shed, but I can't think of a single home decor style that this would even feel comfortable with. So skip on by this one. And lastly, since summer's coming up, I am so excited to be dining outside al fresco, but not with this ugly little bistro set. It is spindly, cheap, and totally yicky. But don't worry, there's a lot of small space little products that they've got that they're introducing, so I'm gonna cover them right now. Now guys, you know from this video and this video and this video that I'm a super big fan of some IKEA products. So now get ready to load your cart up and hit buy now. Now we're going to start with a dining chair option that I absolutely love from them. I think it's called the NILSOVE, and it's this beautiful little rattan top with these lovely little legs on it. Oh, it has a beautiful sit to it. I love the textures. It's just great, super versatile, goes in a lot of different styles. You could use this anywhere, and we can just can that other thing. Now, my go-to for their great looking wall shelving is always the LACK. The LACK is amazing because it's a floating shelf. And what's great about that is that you don't see any of that bracketry underneath. It's just icky when you're seeing all of the components that support everything. Look at how it attaches to the wall. It's a beautiful little look, comes in a couple of lengths, looks great both in black and white. I use it probably on every project. Now, let's talk about a better, more realistic solution for that clothes rack. Honestly, there's a couple of ways you can go with this one. I really like the idea, if you have the room, to do like a small scale wardrobe. And I love this little BRIMNES one. It's super versatile. It's got a little mirror in the center, and look at all the little components that it's got inside. That is great. And what's great is at the end of the day, if you just want to jam a bunch of stuff in there and slam those doors, voila, your space always looks great. So that's a really wonderful solution if you've got the space. Now, if you don't have the space and still need some storage space, I am a huge fan of these racks with hooks on them. And I love them because you can actually make these puppies handle a lot of storage, and there's just something about the way things hang on them. If you kind of put your stuff together in there in a little bit of a neat pattern, it really looks good. And you can see they're great for entryways, they're great for mud rooms, they're great in any kind of bedroom or anything like that. You can even put one down low if you've got little kids. They're really super versatile, super useful, and they look a lot more tasteful than that messy clothes rack. So that's a definite win. Now, if you're in need of a good, super simple little upholstered piece that'll just hold up and do its thing and blend in with a lot of styles, my favorite from them is the FINNALA. I think that's how you say that one. And I love it, especially in the kind of lighter oatmeal tone. Super neutral. It's got a plain little arm on it. It goes with a ton of styles. You can zip the covers off. Super cleanable fabric. This is your solution if you're looking for something super basic in an upholstery item. Now, we're all so into our plants right now, and I love a cute little plant stand. Now, not that other one that I showed you, but they have a super cute little one here. Look at this one. It comes in 2 sizes. I think it's called the LANTLIV, and comes in a white, and it really is sort of simple but decorative, and it really works well with a lot of different styles. This is one you'll use in a ton of different spaces or corners. This is a good solution if you're looking for a great little plant stand. Oh, and now if you, like me, are just can't wait to dine outside, woo, do I have a cute little piece for you. This just is darling. It's a super cute little bistro set that even folds up. So if you're in a tight space or a small space on our deck, this is your friend, no problem. You can definitely use it. It's called the TARNO. And I gotta tell you, you fold that little thing out, it'll transport you to a Parisian balcony in a second. Now, I've saved my best new faves for last, which is the new 2021 IKEA Art Event Collection. Now, I honestly didn't even realize that they did this, but they've been doing it since 2015, and I love the concept around it, which is the idea of bringing art into our homes in an affordable way, done by major artists. And these are pieces that we can bring in through decor and items that we can enjoy on a daily basis. And everything in this fabulous collection is under $100. So that's an amazing solution in a way that brings art into our life on a daily basis. I just love it. In fact, I loved it so much the day I saw it that I immediately bought this throw from Stefan Marx. Oh, it says, I wait here for you forever, as long as it takes. That's how I feel about you guys. I loved this thing. It's beautiful. It's lightweight cotton. It's black and white. You can use it on your bed, throw it anywhere. It's amazing. So that's a fabulous piece. Then he also did a vase that accompanies that, which is really kind of nice. Then there's some other really clever pieces, like this beautiful LED light that changes colors and just kind of plops right up on the wall. So if you're needing a wall sconce solution, this would be super fun. And you could, like, you know, play with the colors if you want, but not around me. Keep it white around me. Then, oh, Daniel Arsham did this clock, and he's an amazing artist. And this is just a beautiful little piece, something to have. It's $45. So if you're looking for an interesting art piece that you would have as a special focal point, oh, these things are just amazing. So I was very impressed with all of this. And of course, I love it so much, we're linking all of these things down below so you can just go straight down there and get some of these things, because believe me, they just released this and they are gonna fly out of there like hotcakes, baby. Okay guys, so if you like this type of video, the skip its, where I tell you buy this, not that, you want to make sure to go to my Target video I just did. You can click the link right here and it will show you a number of great things about Target. And then I'll see you guys next week.